swords, weapons, all kinds of stuff. Meth pipe, I can see it in the center console through the window there. He's walking to where the people are up on the back side over here. So I don't want to leave the car. Do you have one of your rat traps on you right now?
Yeah. Yellow 10. Also, start me somebody with less lethal.
Copy that. Is there any less people on the channel to help out?
We're going to drive up. I think he's got less. You got it? Hey.
Here, put 2 of them. Put them on the passenger side. So put them. I'll put one on the front.
Put it in front of the front tire. Put one in the back tire. Hey, he's right here. He's right there behind the gate. He's driving the gate.
Hey! Hey! San Jose Police! Drop it! Drop the axe! Drop it! Yellow 10, he's got an axe. Code 33 no tow. Drop it! Drop the axe now!
Got the axe in hand and refusing to drop it.
This one on the back
There's
side.
an axe in hand and refusing
Hey!
to drop it.
Wait. Yeah, get me some more units over here.
Are you clear?
Yeah. Hey!
Get on the ground!
On yellow 4, you clear? Yellow 4.
Get on the ground!
More 49, code 3.
Yellow 10, I need somebody to go. Hey! This is the police department. Put the axe down now.
We're going to need somebody on that perimeter side.
All right, so an axe and a large pole. Caution for officers coming in. So you're westbound following behind him in front of the gate. But okay, Yellow 10, he's walking towards the west part. So try to get maybe some Adam units, code 3, that could go
On the other side of the hill. If he starts jumping, they'll come out onto Santa Teresa.
I'll get as many as I can.
And get me that less lethal code 3 into this complex, please.
Working on that.
All right.
Hey, bud, you want to stop and talk to us?
X4, I have the vehicle inside the compound here.
410-4.
Hey, we just want to talk to you. Coming back. Just want to talk to you, bud.
Stop.
Just want to talk to you.
Drop it.
Drop the weapon.
We're not.
You did.
San Jose Police Department, drop the weapon. Drop the weapon.
San Jose, Yellow 4, I'm going to go over it. I want to build any gun center trees. There's
Drop.
units around to take that as well.
Put it down. Drop the weapon.
Hey, stop.
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 Stop. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.